Dear students of the Informatics Law class, welcome to the General Matters of Information Technology Law. In this section, we will study Generalities of Informatics Law, also known as Information Technology Law, Origins of Information Technology, Disruptive technologies that have impacted the legal sector, Aspects of Technoethics and Law. Informatics Law, also known as Information Technology Law, is the branch of law that focuses on the effects of information technologies on society and how they can transform the interaction between citizens and legal or governmental institutions. It is no secret that the so-called new technologies have changed the way we, as a society, understand work, privacy, human relationships, and much more. This being so, Informatics Law is in charge of studying all these social phenomena in order to better understand their impact on society and on the practice of the legal profession. You should take into account the following concepts during this course: technologies, new technologies, information technologies, and computer. Information technologies date back to the earliest civilizations, but their importance came to the fore with the invention of the modern computer in the 1940s, mainly due to their military utility during the Second World War. The ENIAC, the first modern computer, was created in 1945 and funded by the US government. Later, in 1952, the EDAC machine, which stored information in binary, was successfully developed. Over the next few years, computers developed and the Internet and the World Wide Web emerged in the 1960s and early 1990s. The Internet became popular with the advent of social platforms. Law is a conservative discipline and not very prone to change, but throughout history, there have been technologies that have transformed the profession. The Internet was the first technology to revolutionize the legal field. It allowed lawyers instant access to a wealth of information, eliminating the need to visit law libraries. In addition, it changed the way of communicating with legal institutions through email, streamlining the sending of legal documents. However, resistance to change in the legal profession has limited the full adoption of these advantages. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced lawyers and institutions to accept and embrace the use of the Internet for legal purposes. In this course, disruptive technologies such as document automation, the electronic legal marketplace, embedded legal knowledge, online dispute resolution, and document analysis with automatic prediction and response to legal questions will be explored. The rapid advances in information technology have taken society as a whole by surprise. A few decades ago, it would be unimaginable that the largest companies in the world would be IT companies, such as Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, Google's parent company, Apple, and others. In addition to having huge amounts of money, these companies have millions of customers or users around the world, which means they have more influence than almost any other actor in society. A simple example is the growth in the spread of fake news since the creation of social networks, or the increased preference among young people to interact virtually with others rather than physically. These effects are not local to any particular country, but are occurring all over the world. Among the topics to be taken into account in technoethics, the following will be discussed in this course: right to privacy versus recommendation algorithms, labor rights versus collaborative economy, moderation of content in social networks versus freedom of expression, new innovative business models in the face of regulatory stagnation, algorithm bias and artificial intelligence, regulatory approach to ensure ethical behavior.
Universidad Santo Tomás, institución vigilada por el Ministerio de Educación Nacional.